Good day, Gadgets, and thank you very much from Origami and Ivory Wood Residences for this origami package with TinyTAN paper dolls and chocolate inside. So let's check it out, guys. So first and foremost, we'll see the the purple TinyTAN. It says here it's TinyTAN Message Chocolate Magic Dolls. Magic Door. Ayan. So, TinyTAN Message Chocolate. So, it's different. This is the purple one, the red one, the TinyTAN, and the white one. So, if ever you didn't know, TinyTAN is the BTS TinyTAN. So, without further ado, let's unbox this. Let's go! First, we'll unbox the white one. So, let's see what's the chocolate and the paper doll inside. TinyTAN. So, you can see it's sealed like this. So, let's go. So guys, be careful when using the scissors. Upon opening, you can see the wow! What's inside? First and foremost, you can see it's the paper doll. I mean stickers. So let's see the stickers. Oh no, it's not a sticker, it's a post-it. Hold on. Let's see if it's a post-it. No, it's not a post-it. It's stickers! Stickers with the 7 BTS members. If you see them, you can see them. Okay, the next is the chocolate! Ta-da! Different chocolates. Today's message. So there are also 7 chocolates inside. Let's see. 3, 4, 5 with the emblem or emboss of TinyTAN. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 8. And also you can see this. It's a paper design with different TinyTAN members. Wow, that's cool. Also at the back, you can see here. So let's taste it. Taste it, guys. Easy to peel. Wow, there's a message inside. I can't understand, but it's a message. I still eat it. So, as my friends say, oh! Oops. Okay, here it goes. As my friends say, this plastic, we can eat this. It's not a plastic. I'll try to eat it. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow! I eat the hair. Tastes good. It tastes like dark chocolate. And it's good. I'll taste another one. It looks nice. So I don't know if you're a collector of chocolate, it's TinyTAN, but and see, it's definitely worth it. Eat it whole. Let's see the other colors. We'll just put it here. Oops. The red one. Wow. It's really properly sealed, guys. TinyTAN. I don't know who's the owner of TinyTAN. Maybe it's LuciaTAN or ChinkyTAN. Hey, it's a different one. So, in here, So they are different in every box. It's not the same stickers. And also in here is red with their name. Bam, sorry, firing, blah, please stop me. Here. And the box. And the box is awesome. Look at that. Different design. Today's message. So, I'll try this today's message. TinyTAN mic drop. Okay, here it goes. Let's see, it's different inside. Chanan! It's TinyTAN, so it's a different one. It's not a face, but it's a TinyTAN. And let's eat it. It tastes. It's a different taste, guys. It's a milk chocolate, but it's more than milk chocolate. It's not the dark chocolate that we experienced in the white one. And it's awesome. That's cool. Let's try the purple one, guys. But for me, it's really good. I'm a chocolate lover, and for me, it's delicious. The purple one. Let's see what we've got. Wow, it's a purple in this. It's not the logo, but there's a stars. Shining, shimmering, splendid. It's a TinyTAN. It's a purple one. So let's compare. I mean, I forgot to open the other one. Wow! You can see it's a magic door. So it's more on the purple ones. I forgot to open the red one. Let's open the red one to see this red one. Can you open this, please? Yeah, so it's a red. So it depends on the color, guys, color coding. So you can return it, the stickers. And let's taste this. Or maybe I should get random message in here. So you can see here it's a TinyTAN magic door. More on the starry night purple. Easy to open again. Then there's a face. So there's a probability there's a different face. That's why it's 8. One is a TinyTAN that we saw in the second box unboxing, and then the 7 guys, 7 BTS members. So for sure there's also a face in this red one. Let's taste it. So for me it's a dark chocolate, milky chocolate, and a normal chocolate. So for me it's a normal chocolate ones. I can read the message, but there's a message. Very delicious. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you very much, Origami, Ivy Rude, and for this TinyTAN chocolate paper dolls. Shout out to you. Peace out. God bless. Bye-bye. Your next vlog. Ciao.